Replacing the siding, I think, gives the house the most pop. It has like the most bang for your buck as far as boosting your curb appeal, boosting that wow factor when you pull into your driveway and see your own home. And it really can change from a house that you like to making it a house you really love, right? You're putting your thumbprints, your handprints on the final aesthetic of the house. So you can really coordinate your own personal style, your own personal aesthetic, and your own vision for how you want your house to look, all through just siding and trim replacement. And there's so many options and details and products out there, more now than ever. So I think the homeowner has like this really awesome toolbox to pull from when they're residing their house to really make it feel like their own home. We have amazing products on the market today that can make your home relatively maintenance free. That's the biggest homeowner ask we have. They're tired of woodpeckers. They're tired of constant painting, constant staining. So many of our homes were built in the 1940s, 1950s, and they have the original wood siding that has 60, 65 years of paint on there, of painting and sanding and painting and sanding. These are homes that really should not be painted anymore, right? So getting out of that constant cycle of painting and staining and maintaining, the constant cycle of painting, staining, replacing wood rot, and maintaining can really come to an end. We can put a beautiful new product on there that is never going to be required any kind of rot replacement. There won't be any required yearly or annual maintenance. Most products today have a 15 to 20 year finish on them. So you're really buying yourself peace of mind for the next 15 to 20 years of not having to do anything on the exterior, except maybe a light hose wash here and there.